Alright students, when we are looking for a background image, we are actually going to go to google.com. In google.com you want to type in background image. For me, I'm going to do a landscape. For you might want to try something else. Make sure you type that in. You're going to find that when Google does this, it's going to actually come up with a bunch of thumbnails of different images. Now the whole problem with this is that sometimes these thumbnails are way too small for us to use for our project. Alright? Like this one right here, this landscape by design. Okay, now you may have to look at that and you say, I want to use that in my project, but you really shouldn't, because it's 1024 by 768. This number right here is 768. It's a little bit too small for our project. We want to have at least both numbers be within 1,000 or more. A good way for us to do this, to make sure that we're looking at images that are only good or qualified for our project, is by looking on the left column here. And you guys can see right here underneath this category that says any size. Make sure you click on the large option. And what this does is it forces Google to look for images that are large. Okay, and that means that most likely the image will be well over 1,000, which is great for us. So if I actually click on this thumbnail, remember this thumbnail is not the image itself, so you do not want to save this thumbnail. Click on the thumbnail so it can actually take you to the image itself. I'm going to scroll down here. You guys are going to see that the image is actually right here. So let me see if what happens if I click on it. Okay, there's the image right there. Actually, let me shrink this window down so you can see a little bit better. Okay, here's the image. I'm going to, for Windows users, I'm going to right click and do Save Image As. For a Mac user, I believe it's Option S or Option click. Alright, here's your file name. You can change it if you want to. I suggest that you put it on your desktop as well. It makes it easier for you to find later on. You press Save, and then you have your image on your desktop. If you need to, for Google Chrome, you can click on this little arrow right here down at the bottom where it's downloaded. You can click on Show in Folder, and let me shrink this folder, just window down a little bit for you so you can see. Alright, here's our folder that it went to, and you guys could see the actual file in the folder, Desert Stars Landscape. Alright, so it's there, and what I suggest to do is either put it into your flash drive or put it into your Google Docs.